Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a collective haul. I have Buckle, Academy, and Hibbett Sports. So yeah, we went shopping today. So I was going to show you a few of the things that I purchased. Here is what we got. We got retail value of $581.49. I paid $531.93 for a savings of $49.56. So, not as much savings as I would like. I usually always buy in when things are really cheap, but some things you just have to pay up for because they don't go on sale. And so that is what you are seeing right here. That's why this haul is so expensive. So we'll start off with Buckle. If you've been watching my hauls for very long, you know I'm all about my Miss Me jeans. And I did get me another pair. I got this print. I like them because they don't have the pocket flap with the button on it, because I usually end up tearing off the buttons. So I like them when they're just plain on the back side. These are size 31 signature boot. These were on sale. They were originally $99.50. I got them for $89.97. So these are really good, and they're Miss Me, and that's what I like. So a while back on one of my other videos, Buckle had, if you buy a certain amount of items from them, a certain dollar value, you got a free cooler. So I did. I got my free cooler, but I never showed y'all. I never showed it, and I never even opened it up. So it is a Miss Me cooler. And that's what I picked because what I ordered were Miss Me. And this is just like a little cooler. I don't know, just a little drink cooler probably. We're fixing to find out because I'm just now opening it with y'all. So, oh yeah, this is cute. This would be good for like some drinks for the beach. And we do live really near the beach, and the beach is probably not, if 15 minutes from us, that's as far as it is. So this was originally $19.50, which I did not include it in my price because it was free and I didn't realize that they had a price on these. So $19.50. So this would be good for like some waters or whatever, but I thought that was cute and it was free, so you can't beat that. So those were Buckle. And I'm going to get my jeans washed today so I can wear them. So that should be probably my last pair of Miss Me jeans for a while, because I have really bought a bunch and I have enough, like for real, for real. I got to start buying shorts because I don't really have any shorts for the summertime. And South Texas gets hot and we need shorts. So enough with the Buckle jeans. But I say that and then I see them online on sale and I end up buying them. So go figure. The next thing I got is from Hibbett. I got me a new pair of tennis shoes. As I've said many times, we are going to Disney once school lets out. And so I got me another pair of shoes. These shoes were $110 originally. They had them on clearance for $79.97. I had a text message for minus $10 off of $50 purchase, so I got them for $69.97. And this is the shoe that I got. These are Huarache Nikes. They are super comfortable. This, I don't know, they're different because they have this little, they fit really snug. I don't know. They're going to take a little bit of getting used to because they fit super snug on your feet. But I think these with those, if you watched my Walmart grocery haul earlier, I showed a pair of like workout pants that are like tropical. And I think these would be cute with those. So I will have these for Disney. I bought them in a size 8.5 because that's what I wear. I was tempted to go up to a size 9 because they were really snug. But when I tried the 9 on, they were just as snug as these. But there was a big gap back here, like that much gap. Where like this shoe was holding my foot. And this much had nothing. It was kind of weird. So I did not go up a size. I got true to size 8.5. And that's what I got. So for oh crap. This table is like wobbly. I don't know. $69.97 because of the $10 off. So I was glad to find those. My daughter got a pair too. She wears size baby. Don't tell her I said that. She wears size baby. But she ordered hers and hers were like $45 on clearance. But she got black and gray Huarache. But she had to order hers because they didn't have her size in the store. The last part of this collective haul is Academy. We live not too far from Houston, and we're going to a Astros game, baseball game. Not this week coming up, but the following week. I'm going with some of my co-workers, and we're going to an Astros game. So I bought me a Houston Astros t-shirt. I went ahead and got it in a size large. Oh, I'm sorry, I got it in a size extra large, but I did not try it on, so hopefully it fits. It's $22.99. I liked it because it had this foil lettering on it, and I am most comfortable in a V-neck because I am claustrophobic, and I do not like anything up around my throat. So, I purchased that, and then that last but not least this is my birthday month, so I've got a few things that I've been wanting for a while. And I usually don't spend a lot of money on myself. But this is my birthday month, so I am going to spend some money on myself. And I bought myself a soft side Yeti. This is a Hopper 240. This was $349, and it is so super cool. I know you probably can't see too good, and now I can't see y'all. It's got this big heavy duty zipper. Let's try to open it so y'all can see on the inside. That's what it's got. A lot of room inside. It's really thick, super thick. I don't know. This is what I've been wanting. It comes with a shoulder strap. Of course, it comes with all of its information. It comes with some care instructions, and so that's what I bought, y'all. Yeah. This is it. I was pretty excited to get this. Last year for my birthday, my youngest daughter, bought me a Yeti cooler. I'm looking at it. I can't even tell you what size it is. It's not a Hopper. It's the next one up. No, this is the Hopper. It's not a roadie. It's the one above a roadie. Anyway, it's that like kind of Tiffany blue. It's beautiful. And we used that. But I also wanted, that one barely fits in the back of my Mustang. But I also wanted a soft side one. So that is one of my birthday presents to myself. And that's what I wanted. So that's what I bought. Anyway, so like I said, for all the items I just showed you. I paid $531.93. I saved $49.56. So, not a huge savings, but hey, $50 is $50 is $50 any day, and that I am thankful to save any amount of money that I can. So, anyway, give my video a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. Become a part of my YouTube family and friends. Y'all have a great week. Bye.